3, 2, 1. We're going. Go DPS.
Healer. Oh, near healer.
You've got to live with it. You can't do anything about it. Hey, you're off learning. He's on DPS a bit, roll. Vanish. Good, okay. That was DPS. Good. Crowd burning. Crowd burning. He's off DPS, Rob Sonic.
Kill Durga. Kill Durga. Kill Durga. Too late. Too late.
Come on, you done. Come on!
Go
fucking
DPS,
focus him,
go.
go and kill him!
Go, you can do it.
Anyone,
You can't
any
do that.
food or anything,
We
give
can
me
do that.
something.
Shut up. We can do this. 1%. Go. Go.
Kill him fucking now! Okay, I'm dead.
Kill him! Keep Denryu off. He's only got 3. He's burning. Denryu's burning. Denryu's dead.
Kill him!
Yeah! Good!
Fuck yes! Finally! Woo! Fucking anyone with cable!
Right over him. If you want move.
Oh, I thought you died off the end there, mate.